In this video, I'd like to talk about a very serious subject that affects perhaps many of us. I think in the end of the topic that I'm going to speak about, we can all say that it probably would affect each and every one of us on this planet. And it is the question of prophecy. There are very many traditions and very many texts that have prophecy. And I found a common denominator, or a sort of similar theme, if you will, in some of the texts that I've seen on prophecy. I learned from a very excellent teacher and researcher that the Apocrypha and the genealogies mainly, but a very interesting book, Ezra 2, was removed from the Bible in the late 1800s. And this is a very interesting thing as to why Ezra 2 was removed from the Bible and these other books that were mainly comprising of genealogies and the Apocrypha. I also have read and understood other prophecies. I've read the Talmud of Emmanuel and the 4th edition with the predictions of the prophets Jeremiah and Eliab. I've been questioning what it means when we see the work of Goro Adakai in Time Rivers theory, and knowing that America's time river is the Mississippi, and that it indicates that river, this time river, measuring the time, if you will, for America or for the continent, that it somewhere ends in the year between the year 2001 and 2010. And what does exactly that mean? And what exactly that means, I don't know. But I do think that the time rivers theory, the idea that that there is a history in the twists and turns, if you will, or the angles on the rivers for each continent, or very specific, impactful, and important events in the past, is actually measured in these rivers, signifying the design of a higher intelligence, if you will, or maybe some other phenomena that we can't yet fully explain or understand. And then there is locational astrology, and some of the research that I'm aware of in terms of astrology, for those that may have an interest or give credence to astrological research. And there is a common theme that, of course, prophecy and prediction, it is said by some, are two different things, and that prophecy is given in that things can change, or that we can make change for the positive, for the better. In fact, I think this is spoken about in the Enoch prophecies. So this video I make just to give a sort of thread of different sources that I've read prophecy from, and some of them are certainly unorthodox, if you will. But I think that, as I began, it's a thing that in the end could affect all of us. And the point of it is that we should all try, in my opinion, to make change for the positive and change for the better. And I think that that's the whole point of it. So I hope that I've helped those of you that are interested in prophecy to have some different perspectives and some different sources of information that give some different indicators of the timelines of change that we have, not only in our past, but before us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below and to subscribe to my channel.